How to fix Instagram CSRF problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's short video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. And after that, go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. You have to scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it. Click on this option. It's called force stop. After you click on it, click on the power usage details. Click down here again on this force stop to stop the power analysis from running, and then click on the app launch and turn off this manager automatically. Click OK. Go back to the home page, open the Play Store and search for Instagram, then update it. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.